Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Photoshop Art, and today we'll learn how to edit a photo for Instagram. But first check a best deal of Amazon. I see this sari on Amazon and I like it, and if you want to buy it you can see a link in the description and you can buy it from there. Okay, so let's start the video. Today we are going to edit a photo of this hot girl which is look very hot. I drag this image to Photoshop. You can see that it's very easy. Now press Ctrl 0 to fit on this image on the screen. In the second, press Ctrl Z. Now you have to select this image. You have to cut out this girl from the background, as we learned in the previous videos how to cut it. Simply take a brush, bracket, close bracket and open bracket. You can simply small your brush and break. So simply small your brush and select the image. Select the girl from the photo. Okay, simply it's very easy, it's not difficult. Okay, for the small parts press Ctrl plus. For spanning you can use space. Press space for spanning. Then small your brush. For small things, going to zoom in the photo and select this like this easily. Okay, plus you have to minus this. It's very easy. Press Alt. You can see the plus is going in minus, and then simply remove it, minus it from the selection. Okay, it's very easy. Again remove, check like that. You can select all girl. Okay, I'm going to do fast, this not wasting your time. So simply I'm going to do this like this. You can do for the softness of the edges. Okay, you can see the difference there. You can going to zoom it. You can see the hair. See, you can see the hair. See, okay. Smooth images for edges, for feathers, contrast. You have to click this for the extra layer, or not on the same layer, you need a different layer. Okay, so you have to click this amount for the edges. Again, if you increase it, the edges comes out, and if you decrease, the edge is going to minus. But we are not going to see it. We default is good. We are using it sometimes only. Okay, so you can see that girl is there, and in the different layer, what I am talking about, it a different layer. Okay, so we take this. Now simply you can see that it like removing. Okay, take a background image. As I press Alt, if it's Photoshop CC, press Alt to take it like that, minus it and press Shift to give a correct angle to your photo and adjust it. Okay, see that, press enter, again Control 0. Okay, drag this image between this. Okay, now get the tone of this image correctly. So we are going to match the color. Okay, we are going to adjust the skin tone with the background. So we are going to in the layer panel and select color balance. Click there and you can see there in many colors. It's mid tone. We are going to adjust mid tone first. Drag it, you can see the image is changing background also, but we don't want to change the background. So what we do, we press Alt for clip this image to the girl. Press Alt, and if you can also see that clipping mask is also there, creating a clipping mask. You can see this layer is clipped to the girl. Okay, now we adjust the girls, match the colors to the background. Okay, we can see the difference, but we're not going to do too much. We give the color only if it's look realistic. Okay, the photos look realistic. Okay, so we give a little bit. Yellowish. Now we adjust shadow. You can adjust it to your photo by your, you can see that if your photo is too much dark, so you can light it, you can match this to your color. Okay, so adjust your shadow. You can see shadow is also changing, so we adjust it by photo, and again no need for this. For darkening, lighting, so give a lightly blue color, only little, not too much. Again now we see highlights, again only little, not too much. Okay, just take care of it. Okay, I adjust it to my photo, according to my photo. So only I adjust this images, I adjust this colors according to my images. So you can adjust your color balance according to your image. Okay, what we do, the background, press Alt and drag this image up. See, the copy is there now. And if it is not possible, what you can do, you can simply press select this image and press Ctrl Z and drag it simply there with mouse, but we have pick, so we delete it. Okay, now what we going to do, we simply select which one is good. Okay, soft layer is look good. What we are going to do, we going to remove the something part from the face, from the outside, if you not want. But first press Alt and clip this image to girl. So you can see all the drops are on her face, on her body. So we are going to remove it. So what we have to do, we have to select this image and going to add vector layer mask. Okay, press, you can see the box there, select it and press B and remove the water from his face, from the finger if you not want, from his neck. From the neck, from his hair. We are doing this because if we not done this, it look like something editing, and I don't want photo look edit. It should be natural pics. I like to edit natural pics. Okay, the drops is not looking too much, so what we do, we try something better. Overlay is good. Okay, remove the, we can decrease opacity and decrease fill. You can see the lightening of the, select this and remove this lightening from his hand. Okay guys, one thing, if you're using the brush on this layer, it will not allowed, but if you allowed it to a smart object, to a normal raster image, and using a brush, you can see that the color is going to like this, and you can't remove it with X, but you can Control Z it, but you can't remove it, you can't clear it. With the brush you can see that the color is also showing there. So don't use the brush on this, always use the brush on this layer if you want to remove it also. Okay, so first we Control Z it. Okay, you can see the color is removing from there also. Okay, we got the drops on it, and now select this and going in filter, select blur and select the radical blur. We get a radical blur to background. Okay, best quality, and in zoom and press OK. You can see the amazing background, amazing look is coming there. Now you can see the difference. Okay, you can see there are some settings which we want to edit. Press on this and going to select dark to give drops outcome. Okay, multiple where the drops come out, you can select that. Okay, you can see that drops is coming there, pill light. Okay, it's look good. Okay, we select it. You can also try another effect which is best for your photo. Okay, now you have to drag one image for the best. Again Control minus Shift plus Shift for dragging, Alt for zoom, and Control plus for fit on window. Select this layer and going to choose a hue. You can see a different look is coming there, and a different amazing look. I like it. Okay, select it. The editing is there. Now we are going to adjust its tone, its tone in Camera Raw. So first we have to merge all the layers in a one layer, but what we have to do, we have to press Ctrl Alt Shift E, and you can see that the layer is there. Select this layer and go to filter, select Camera Raw filter, and you can see that the adjustment is shown there. So adjust it according to your photo. Okay, I need a little blue, not too much, it should be look realistic. Little green, no, we adjust it little blue. Exposure for lightening and darkening, we adjust it to middle. Contrast, we adjust highlights, which is too much. Highlights for the black and white colors, so take it in minus. Shadows, create it. Okay, adjust shadows. Whitening, again adjust black according to your photos. I'm adjusting it according to my photos. Okay, little black. Clarity, you can see the softening of the image and the highlights of the image, so we are going to minus it for the clarity, not too much. Okay, Daisy for darkening and lightening, little bit. Going to tone curves, and you can see highlights of yellow and black, so we give it little. Lights, we are going to it minus a little. Okay, darks, little only in minus. The shadows, we like this look. Okay, select it, and you can see amazing look is coming there. You can see the difference also. Now you can see there a look is coming. So what we do, we are going to crop it from there. You can press C for crop, and just little crop from there. Okay, that's amazing. You can edit this for your Instagram, and if you like it, subscribe, and try it on your phone, your PC. And if you can do this easily, you can comment your photos also on which you try this effect. Thank you so much. Take care.